Benefits and uses of baking soda. 1. May help treat heartburn. Heartburn, also called acid reflux, is a painful, burning sensation in the upper region of your stomach that can spread into your throat. It's caused when acid flows out of your stomach and up into your esophagus, which is the tube that connects your stomach to your mouth. Baking soda can help treat heartburn by neutralizing stomach acid. To try it, dissolve 1 teaspoon, 5 grams, of baking soda in a glass of cold water and drink the mixture slowly. However, there are downsides to this treatment to keep in mind. There's some debate as to whether everyone with heartburn symptoms has high levels of stomach acid. Baking soda is very high in sodium, with 630 mg per 1/2 teaspoon, 2.3 grams, which is important to be aware of if you have to limit your sodium intake. 2. May relieve itchy skin and sunburns. A baking soda bath is often recommended to soothe itchy skin after bug bites or bee stings. Additionally, baking soda may help soothe skin that's itching from sunburns. Some people claim that it's more effective when combined with other ingredients like cornstarch and oatmeal. To make a baking soda bath, add 1 to 2 cups, 220 to 440 grams, of baking soda to a lukewarm bath. Make sure the affected area is soaked thoroughly. For specific areas, create a paste with baking soda and a bit of water, then apply a thick layer to the affected area. 3. May slow the progression of chronic kidney disease. People with chronic kidney disease, CKD, slowly lose their kidney function. Your kidneys are vital because they help remove excess waste and water from your blood while balancing important minerals like potassium, sodium, and calcium. Although more research is needed, some studies suggest that taking sodium bicarbonate, baking soda, supplements improves kidney function and helps slow the progression of CKD. 4. May improve certain cancer treatments. Cancer is the second leading cause of death in the United States. It's often treated with chemotherapy, which is a chemical cocktail that slows or stops the growth of cancer cells, which usually grow and divide at a rapid rate. Some research shows that baking soda may help chemotherapy medicines work more effectively by making the environment for tumors less acidic. However, because the current evidence is limited to animal and test tube studies, human research is needed. If you're undergoing cancer treatment, consult your doctor before complementing your chemotherapy treatment with baking soda. 5. May soothe canker sores. Canker sores are small, painful ulcers that can form inside your mouth. Unlike cold sores, canker sores don't form on your lips and aren't contagious. Though more evidence is needed, some older studies suggest that baking soda mouthwash soothes pain caused by canker sores. You can make baking soda mouthwash using the recipe in the previous chapter. Rinse your mouth with this mixture once a day until the canker sore heals. 6. Reduces muscle pain and fatigue. A scientific article titled, Practical Considerations for Bicarbonate Loading in Sports Performance, points out that studies to date have demonstrated that taking sodium bicarbonate before exercise, also known as bicarbonate loading, may have a moderate positive effect on athletic performance that includes 1 to 7 minutes of sustained strenuous exercise. In addition, sodium bicarbonate may also be helpful for prolonged physical activity involving intermittent or sustained periods of high-intensity training. It could be useful to try and support the training session to allow the athlete to train harder, but also to reduce some of the negative side effects of having a high acidity in the muscle, so you may get less damage to the muscle and a better training outcome in the long term. Another small clinical study of 8 healthy male subjects found consuming baking soda before intermittent cycling improved their sprint performance. 7. Mouthwash. Mouthwash is a great addition to your oral hygiene routine, as it reaches the corners of your mouth and crevices of your teeth, gums, and tongue that you might miss during brushing. many people use baking soda as a replacement for mouthwash. Some studies show that it may help freshen your breath and even exert antibacterial and antimicrobial properties. While one study found that baking soda mouthwash didn't significantly lower oral bacteria levels, it increased the pH levels of saliva, which is important for inhibiting bacterial growth. To make your own baking soda mouthwash, add 1/2 teaspoon, 2 grams, of baking soda to half a glass, 120 milliliters, of warm water, then swish as usual. 8. Teeth whitener. Baking soda is a popular home remedy for whitening teeth. Many studies have found that toothpaste containing baking soda is better for whitening teeth and removing plaque than toothpaste without baking soda. This is likely because baking soda has mild abrasive properties that can break the bonds of molecules that stain your teeth. It also has antibacterial and antimicrobial properties, which may help fight harmful bacteria. 9. Deodorant. Surprisingly, human sweat is odorless. Sweat only gains odor after it's broken down by bacteria in your armpits. These bacteria convert your sweat into acidic waste products, which give sweat its smell. Baking soda is often used as a natural deodorant to eliminate sweat smell by making its odors less acidic, though there's limited research on whether this strategy works. Try patting baking soda onto your armpits or mixing it with a bit of coconut oil, shea butter, or cornstarch to create homemade deodorant. 10. Fridge odor neutralizer. Chances are that some foods in your fridge have overstayed their welcome and started spoiling. This smell may stick around long after you empty and clean your fridge. Baking soda may help freshen a smelly fridge by neutralizing bad odors. Interestingly, it eliminates odor particles rather than just masking their smell. To try this trick, fill a cup with baking soda and place it in the back of your fridge. 11. Air freshener. Not all commercial air fresheners eliminate bad odors. Instead, some simply release fragrance molecules that mask other smells. In addition, fewer than 10% of air fresheners provide an ingredient list. This is problematic if you're sensitive to chemicals that may be found in air fresheners. Baking soda is a safe alternative to commercial air fresheners, as it's free of industrial chemicals and neutralizes odor particles. To create air freshener with baking soda, you need a small jar, 1/3 cup, 74 grams, of baking soda, 10 to 15 drops of your favorite essential oils, a piece of cloth or paper, a string or ribbon. Add the baking soda and essential oils to the jar. Cover it with the cloth or paper, then secure it in place with the string and put it in your living room, bedroom, bathroom, or kitchen. When the scent starts to fade, give the jar a shake. 12. Whitening agent for laundry. Baking soda is an inexpensive way to whiten and clean your laundry. That's because it's an alkali, a soluble salt, that can help remove dirt and stains. According to older research, an alkali like baking soda works by interacting with acids and stains when dissolved in water. To try it out, add half a cup, 110 grams, of baking soda to your regular amount of laundry detergent. It also helps soften the water, so you may need less detergent than usual. 13. Kitchen cleaner. The versatility of baking soda makes it a great kitchen cleaner. When mixed with an acid like lemon juice or vinegar, it may also help control the growth of harmful microorganisms, including mold or bacteria. To use baking soda in your kitchen, make a paste by mixing baking soda with an equal amount of lemon juice and a bit of water. Apply the paste to the desired surface with a sponge or cloth and scrub thoroughly. Here are a few kitchen appliances, items, and surfaces that you can clean with baking soda. Ovens. Stained coffee cups. Stained marble. Grease stains. Kitchen tiles. Clogged drains. Tarnished silver. Microwaves. Countertops. 14. Garbage odor eliminator. Full trash bags often have a putrid odor because they contain decaying waste. If it's particularly foul, this smell can spread to your kitchen and other areas of your home. Fortunately, baking soda can help eliminate garbage smells by neutralizing acidic odor molecules. In fact, research notes that spreading baking soda at the bottom of waste bins may reduce garbage odor by 70%. 15. Carpet stain remover. A combination of baking soda and vinegar can remove the most stubborn carpet stains. Mixing baking soda and vinegar creates a compound called carbonic acid, which is a common ingredient in cleaning products. This reaction creates a lot of fizzing, which may help break down tough stains. Here's how you can eliminate carpet stains with just baking soda and vinegar. Cover the carpet stain with a thin layer of baking soda. Fill an empty spray bottle with a 1-to-1 mixture of vinegar and water and spray it over the stained area. Wait up to 1 hour or until the surface dries. Scrub the baking soda loose with a brush and vacuum the residue. The stain should now be completely removed. If there's some baking soda residue left on the carpet, wipe it up with a damp towel. 16. Pesticide remover for fruit and veggies. Many people are concerned about pesticide residue on foods. Pesticides are used to protect crops from insects, germs, rodents, and weeds, but many have harmful effects on human health. Peeling fruit is the best way to remove pesticides. However, it also means you don't get the important nutrients, such as fiber, vitamins, and minerals found in the skins of many fruits. Interestingly, recent research indicates that a baking soda wash is the most effective way to remove pesticides from fruits and veggies without peeling them. One study found that soaking apples in a solution of baking soda and water for 12 to 15 minutes removed nearly all of the pesticide residue. Keep in mind that this method doesn't remove pesticides that have penetrated the fruits or veggie skin. Plus, more research is needed to see whether this works for other types of produce. 17. Hand softener. To scrub away dirt and odors, mix baking soda with warm water and rub it on your hands. This natural hand cleanser will leave your hands clean and soft. 18. Foot soother. Create your own foot bath with a tablespoon of baking soda and warm water. This baking soda bath will remove bacteria and odors and can help to prevent toenail fungus. 19. Hair cleanser. Baking soda for hair? Yes. Simply add a teaspoon to your shampoo, rub it into your hair and rinse as usual. Baking soda shampoo is ultra clarifying, so it's a great way to remove dirt and oil as well as residue that is left over from hair products.